Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to add money on Wise. Simply you have to click on send money, but I have already my details, so simply click here, check your details. So here you can see I have already added my details in my account. So if you don't have already details on account, you have to directly click on send money, and after that you have to add details. So because I have already my details, so here you can see our currency page is open. So here you can transfer or check the rate of currency and also how much money you want to send. So simply I have a type 100. Now you can click on continue. So after clicking on continue option, wait for a few seconds. So here you can select option myself or someone else. So here you can also add your bank details like IBAN number. Like if you want to send someone else money, so you can also add details here. So after clicking all the details, so after this click on review and next click on pay and add the payment method, like how do you want to add money on your wise.com. So simply you can add your credit card or payment method, just because website required official bank account and your personal details. So that's why this is the educational purpose video. So we can't add the personal details, but hopefully you have understood how to add money on Wise.